Welcome to Graduating 101, When to File the DDA. In this video, you will learn about when to file your degree and diploma application. Firstly, you need to know when you expect to graduate. Generally, the DDA is due the quarter before your graduating quarter. This will allow Marshall College Academic Advising time to review your degree audit and confirm that you are on track for graduation. This chart can be found on the first page of the DDA and can be accessed by visiting degree.ucsd.edu. It shows you when the applications open and are due based on when you will be graduating. For example, if you are graduating in spring of 2022, you will need to file your DDA by the end of finals week in winter 2022. We recommend that you file your DDA as soon as you have enrolled in classes for the quarter you will be graduating in. This information will be necessary for completing the DDA, which we will cover in our next video.